Laolu, Laolu. Laolu. Wake up, Laolu.
This is it.
Did he wake up suddenly?
Will not. I gave him a sedative shot. I should be able to sleep until tomorrow morning.
Liuan Laozi, Liuan Laozi. Why did you fall first?
He suffered from temporary amnesia today.
What do you mean?
He couldn't remember who I was just now, but it's normal. He had glioblastoma. The brain is constantly being damaged. There are going to be some dizziness and vomiting, mobility impairment, fever and frustration.
These are the worst outcomes.
These are inevitable consequences. And then death.